vlogs. Punta tayo sa pinakamurang dinner sa Canada ngayon dahil sa inflation. Ilan tayo? Dami na hotdog. Pang-vlog ang presyo ng sa Costco hotdog, hindi pa nag-change yan simula noon. Natanggal lang yung ano, fried chicken na chicken wings na wala na. Dito magbabayad ka tapos ba ano ng stub. So, pinakamurang dinner in time of inflation. Isa hotdog $1.50 with the drink. $2.96 ang price. So ang dami. Tapos $12.96 yung pisang malaki.
Kasi di ba malaki mukha ko? Ang dami yung sa glass na hindi mabagal.
Hello mga ka-vlogs, kumusta kayo dyan? Ayan, pag-usapan natin ngayon is yung bullying sa trabaho. May napanood ako, I think it's Bella Everyday. Yun nga, no, nabanggit niya sa vlog niya. Nung unang vlog niya, hindi pa siya nagpapakita ng mukha, but it's good to see her showing her face sa vlog niya. It's Bella Everyday. Chef siya sa, I'm not sure if it's in Ontario or in Alberta, but yeah, yung katrabaho niya is may mga station daw sila. It's tapos may kinuha siyang nag-wrap siya sa saran wrap. Yung dalawa daw yung saran wrap na yun nasa one station, and it happens na yung saran wrap na gagamitin niya is nasa station ng white pastry, in charge of pastry. So ang ginawa niya is naggamit siya ng saran wrap, tapos umalis siya, and then may narinig na daw siyang kumalabog. So nagulat siya, di ba? Tapos naiwan niya yung gunting na panggamit niya. So parang binato daw sa kanya pabalik. But in return, syempre nagulat siya. I think ni-report niya sa main supervisor nila, and then the main supervisor was I guess trying to discipline the other person, white. Ayan, tuloy natin muna to. Anyways, tuloy natin yung sinasabi ko kanina mga ka-vlogs, no? So bullying, parang na-feel niya na bully nga siya. So ngayon, ako naman mag-advise. I have been dealing with all kinds of race. Over 30 years na nag-work ako dito sa Canada, and I have worked with mostly different races, white people, black people. Just stand your ground. Huwag mong papakita na ano ka, na parang natatakot ka, ganyan. Stand your ground, and no, huwag ka naman lumaban na violente, but just do what is right. You know, report mo sa supervisor mo and whatnot, right? Tuloy natin ulit. Yeah, please. One.
Thank you for using self-checkout.
Ito, cabbage. Yeah, just put them in there, please. Yeah. What's the code for this? No code?
4552.
4552.
Sir, check in.
Oh, celery. Celery code? Search.
Sir, check in.
$3.99. Salt stock eggs. Yan mga ka-vlogs, no? Bili tayo ng gulay sa superstore. Mas mahal pa ang gulay kaysa sa meat kung tutusin. Walang piraso ng celery, sili, tsaka talong, yung pang eggplant lasagna. Apat nun, almost $30, 29 something. Good thing I have a PC loyalty points. Ginamit ko for $10 off. So in conclusion, no, mga ka-vlogs, sa bullying sa work, that's not an acceptable practice. Parang kung tingin sa atin ay maliit, you know, it's not right. So we gotta stand up for our right. Yun lang, huwag tayong papatinag kasi pare-parehas naman tayong immigrants dito sa Canada, right? So it's not their country. Yun ang tatandaan natin. Alrighty. Ayan mga vlogs, ang ating morning dito sa Northern BC. Yung mga nakikita nyong usok ay mga galing sa pulp mill or sawmill. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Ayan mga ka-vlogs, kape muna tayo from McDonald's. It's Friday morning. Start work at 8. Ayan, ito yung ating, ayan, maganda, sarap yung McGriddles na yun eh. Parang pancake yung sa yung bread na ginawa. So McDonald's, I'm endorsing you. Your coffee is not bad. Timmy's and Starbucks, yeah, either of those three in second cup. Yun lang naman eh yung pwede mong pagpipilian. McDonald's and Timmy's are yung makakasave ka ng pera. Ayan mga ka-vlogs, araw na pero meron pa rin tayong snow. Ayan, naka t-shirt lang ako. Ayan ang ating paligid. Biyernes, tanghali, lunchtime. The next couple days pagka last na yung ating panahon ni matunaw na itong mga snow sa ground. Huwag lang mag snow ulit. Yeah. Hello mga ka-vlogs, papasa tayo ng resume sa McDonald's para sa anak ni Esme. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Hiring daw dito eh. Yeah, yeah. Hello. My son here wants to hand in his resume for extra help. For his name is Vince.
Is he looking for part-time or full-time?
Part-time after school.
After school?
Yeah. So.
And how many hours he's looking for?
20 hours over the weekends. Yeah. Yeah, part-time, 4 hours a day or something after school. So.
Okay, I'm just having a sec. Okay, take the double quarter pounder with cheese, nothing on it. Okay.
I'll just skip this thing and can you write availability over here, like what time you are available?
Yeah.
Never pen.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Nothing on it.
Kailan?
So Monday after school, what time?
4?
4? Yeah.
Para makapag-ready pa
Or
ako.
4:30?
4:30?
Yes, and two banana chocolate.
Yeah, just 4 p.m. Just put 4 p.m. then.
Okay. And
Yeah. So 4 hours each day, right?
So the restaurant opens till like 12 a.m.
Oh, okay.
Night. If it's after 4, so I just need like 8-hour availability. And
Okay.
then we're gonna switch it to like if he wants 4 hours, then for 5 hours.
Oh, okay. So say 4 o'clock, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 o'clock is the finish time. Yeah, okay. 4 to 8. Yeah, just put that. Because he has to go to school next day, right?
kailan? Wednesday?
Yeah, 4 to 8 Monday to Friday, and then the Saturday, Sunday is open.
Okay, 6 a.m.
Yeah, 6 to 4, something like that. Yeah, but so 4 p.m. to 8 here, Monday to Friday. Just put availability.
To 8?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then yeah, just put like up to, yeah, go like this. Go like this. To Friday. Oh yeah. The Saturday would be 6 a.m. till say 1 p.m. right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. So, or 2, right? So that's 8 hours?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So yeah, same as like if there's a availability in the afternoon, he could work it, say 2 to whatever time, right? So open, right? Open in the afternoon as well. And then same on the Sunday. Same as Saturday.
Guys, we get a couple rand.
So yeah, it's really a good start for him. You know, he's a
And
student.
I'll just give it to my restaurant manager because he's doing finding stuff right now.
Okay, Kiran.
And after that, he's gonna get it.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much.
All right, thanks, Kiran. Yeah, have a good day. So, yeah, pinasa namin yung resume, no. Gusto na malaman yung availability. So, after school, tsaka sa weekends. Okay.